Alright, so we're going to hop right into our technology-based tools, starting with Flipgrid. So hop on here. So Flipgrid is an awesome tool. It's a video discussion platform and it allows students to express ideas and engage with other classmates in a collaborative discussions through short video responses. Flipgrid encourages active participation and helps with communication skills, and also promotes peer feedback. Going into some of the educator standards, some of the things that they hit upon is Standard 3, which is Model Digital Age Work. Using Flipgrid, educators demonstrate effective communication and collaboration and digital citizenship with using this platform. It's also serving as role models for students. The second standard that we are looking upon is Standard 4, which is promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility. Through using the video discussions, we can facilitate conversations about online etiquette and being respectful and respectfully communicating with each other, and the responsible use of technology. We're also going to touch base on our student standards. So looking at our student standards, we look at Standard 1, which is empowered learners. So by using Flipgrid, we can create video responses, students engage in self-directed learning, and they express their thoughts and ideas and are able to develop communication and critical thinking skills. And then looking at Standard 6, we have creative communicator. Using this tool engages students to learn effectively and use it to effectively express themselves. They can communicate with clarity and engage with peers in meaningful conversations. And so I thought these are really good standards that fit these tools. So now that we're done with Flipgrid, we are going to move on to our next tool, which is Kahoot, which I'm sure all of you are familiar with. So Kahoot is a game-based learning platform. It's used for assessments, and you can use them as interactive quizzes, surveys, and also discussions. The great part about Kahoot is it engages students through gamification, which makes it fun, and there's lots of visuals. And it promotes formative assessments, encourages healthy competition, and the great thing is it provides instant feedback for the teachers so that they can immediately see how their class is doing within their lesson and their curriculum. So now that we got Kahoot, we're going to move on to our next tool, which is Nearpod. Okay, so Nearpod is another great tool. It empowers teachers to create interactive presentations with multimedia content and formative assessments as well. It's able to have interactive lesson and promote student engagement by having lots of visuals and being very engaging for a student. It also offers real-time assessments, which help with instant feedback as well. And it's a big supporter in differentiated instruction because there's so much that you can do with this tool. Going into some of the images, you can see how Nearpod is able to have interactive groups with questions and works well with Zoom and collaborative tools. Looking at some of the educator standards, the first one we're going to look at is Standard 2, which is Design Digital Age Learning Experiences and Assessments. Through this platform's interactive lessons, you get real-time feedback. Educators can design and develop digital age learning, and they're able to individualize and cater to each student's needs and interests. And it provides them with personalized and meaningful learning opportunities. Looking at a standard 1, we can definitely facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity through Nearpod. As using Nearpod, we can be very creative and have interactive lessons and interactive videos, and be able to create games for learning and create these formative assessments through fun activities. So this tool is great at hitting those standards to facilitate student learning and creativity. So now we're going to move on to the student standards. So looking at standard 2, we're looking at digital citizenship. So through these interactive lessons and collaborative activities, students are able to learn about online safety, ethical behavior, and able to practice respectful digital communication through all these collaborative activities and lessons that you can have. And then go into standard 4, innovative designer. This tool is very creative, and students are able to develop thinking skills and problem-solving abilities because this tool is so flexible, and students can have creativity and design and deliver engaging content for their peers in class. Now we are going to move on to our next tool, which is Edpuzzle. So Edpuzzle is a video learning platform. Teachers can customize education videos with embedded questions and quizzes. It encourages active viewing and allows students to have critical thinking skills through collaboration. And it's also self-paced learning, so they can move at their own speed to make it more of an individualized lesson plan. And it provides data as they go through the lesson plans, focus, insight, through formative assessments, so educators can track progress of students throughout the lesson. So it's definitely a really cool tool to use. And now we're going to move on to Padlet, which is our fifth tool. Padlet's really cool. It's a bulletin board that enables students to work with each other and type on the same platform. So it enables collaboration and allows students to share ideas and discuss through text using images, videos, and even those sticky notes or documents. It promotes collaboration, brainstorming, and gives visual organization to ideas, and it just supports multimedia content and encourages communication through peers using technology, which is really cool. It's really easy to use as well. So now we're going to move on to Seesaw. So Seesaw is really cool. It's almost like a Google Classroom. It's a digital portfolio platform that allows students to document and share their learning journey, so they just upload all their assignments on there. So it creates a portfolio as they go through these assignments. So they put videos, drawings, text, photos, and it allows students to reflect on their assignments and give themselves self-assessments. You can also have parent engagement through this, so they can be added on here, and you can have communication to parents. You can create formative assessments, and it definitely promotes creativity. There's so much that you can do with this, and a lot of possibilities through assignments and quizzes. It also has lots of cool visuals that make it engaging for the students. So now I'm going to move on to our last tool, which is Quizlet. So Quizlet is a studying tool, so you can have flashcards and games to help students prepare for test and master subjects. Quizlet is also very interactive through games and allows for more creativity and more engaging study activities. It's also a self-paced learning, so students can be able to work at their own pace as they go through these assignments. So through this self-paced learning, they can have knowledge retention and have collaborative study options. So it's a really great studying tool and also can be used as a formative assessment for each flip guide. And that is about all my tools. Thanks for listening.